Good morning, Triyok. Good morning, Triyok. I am audible and visible to everyone, Triyok. Yes, I am audible and visible. Triyok. Very nice. We are waiting for you. A very nice answer from your side. But do you know for what reason I was waiting? I was waiting and I was seeing your chats. That's why I came to know that the students, those who were chatting, like Abhimanyu, then Onkon, Abhimanyu and Onkon, so many things they were writing over the chat box that I came to know, isn't it? Then Divyanka or Divanko, this one, he is also writing many things in the chat box. Listen, this is not your private chat box, this is the school's one. Whatever you have the queries or doubts or any question if I am asking, the answers you will write over the chat box, not this type of chatting you will do it of your own. Is that clear, students? This I am warning to everyone, that if you are gossiping among yourselves, you don't use the school's one. You do your chatting over your phone, not in the school site. Clear? Now everyone take out your math magic. Chapter number 4, long and short. Chapter number 4, long and short. On Monday we have completed up to page number 55. Monday we have completed up to page number 55. So kindly take it out. Take it out. Page number 55, it was about the height, isn't it? It was about the height, and I think you have, all of you have done the activity with your elder or brother or sister. Okay. Now come to page number 56. Everyone open page number 56. Everyone open page number 56. See page number 56, centimeters or meters. This is the unit. For smaller unit you are using centimeters, and for bigger things you are using meters. Okay. So to measure the small things you will write in centimeters, and to measure the big things you will write in the meters. As in the shop, as in the clothes shop, the person he is using a meter rod to measure the clothes, isn't it? So he is using meter. Similarly, the small things which you are measuring with the help of your scale, that we are measuring with the centimeters. Okay. So centimeters is the smaller unit, and meter it is the bigger unit, means it is used to measure bigger things. Now see, which of these will be in centimeters and which will be in meters? You have to write that which the objects which are mentioned here, what you will use as unit, meter or centimeter. That means either you will use meter or you will use centimeter. You have to write it. Okay. This thing you write in your book. Everyone write in your book. Width of a computer screen. You all have seen the computer screen, isn't it? You have in your home also. So the width of the computer screen you will measure in meter or centimeter. Write the answer in the chat box. The width of a computer screen. Okay, computer screen, not the length as asked. It is asked the width. Okay. means the breadth of the computer screen. You all have seen a computer screen, a very flat computer screen is, isn't it? The breadth or the width of the computer screen, how can you measure it? Either the centimeter or the meter. Quickly write answer in the chat box. Quickly write the answer in the chat box. Yes, Sorish is writing meter, Shankolong centimeters, Noreen meter, Daksha centimeter, and others write the answer. Divyanko has written meters, then centimeter, then Srijita centimeter, Shauri meters. The width of a computer screen. The width of a computer screen we will measure in centimeters. So everyone write centimeter. Okay, write centimeter, not meters. Meters are used for the bigger things. Meters are used for the bigger things. Width of the computer screen. I am not writing the full question, I am writing just the half. Okay, you will write centimeter. It is measured in centimeter. Okay, it is measured in centimeter. So write centimeter. Now the next one, length of a pagdi worn by Sikh. You all have seen the Sikh. Sikh means the Punjabis. Okay, the Punjabi, they are wearing a pagdi in their head. So that pagdi, it is made up of cloth. Okay, so you have to write that cloth is being measured with the help of meter or centimeter. Sankaran, it is wrong. It will be meter. Okay, it will be meter. Number B, length of pagdi worn by the Sikh. It is in meters because it is the cloth. It is the cloth. Okay, and the cloth, it is measured with the meters. So it is meters. Write meters. Then next one, height of a 1-year-old child. Height of a 1-year-old child. As you know, 1-year-old child, he is very small, isn't it? So its height is measured in centimeter. Its height is measured in centimeters. Then length of banana. Length of a banana. It is measured in, yes, very good. It is measured in centimeter. Yes, all of you are giving the right answer. Centimeters. Then waist of an elephant. Waist of an elephant. Yes, it is measured in meters. It is measured in meters. Then height of a sugar cane. Height of a sugar cane. It will be in meters. Height of a sugar cane in meters. Yes. Next one, depth of a well. Depth of a well. It is measured in meters. It is measured in meters. Depth of a well measured in meters. I think you have written from the board. I want to rub the board, okay? You all have written the board, I am rubbing the board. Next is height of your mother. Height height of your mother. It will be in centimeter. Distance from classroom. Distance from classroom to school gate. It will be in meters. Okay. Distance of classroom to the school gate. It will be in meters. And the next one, length of your father's arm. Length of your father's arm. Length of your father's arm. It will be measured in centimeter. It will be measured in centimeter. Okay. It will be measured in centimeters. Yes. It will be measured in centimeters. So this is all about centimeter and meters. The smaller things you are measuring in centimeters and the bigger things you are measuring in meters. Now come to the next topic. The next topic is trip to Agra. Trip to Agra. Mary and Bhaichung are going with their family to Agra. They get down at Agra Cant railway station and take a rickshaw to Taj Mahal. After 3 hours, they start for Agra Fort. Again in a rickshaw. In the afternoon, they take a bus to go to Fatehpur Sikri. Now, this is the trip to Agra. That means they are going to visit Agra. This Mary and Bhaichung. Okay. And with their family, they are gone for a visit to Agra. So, what they have done first? They have get down at Agra Cant. This is the name of the railway station. Agra Cant station, and then they take a rickshaw. Then they have gone to Taj Mahal and seen the Taj Mahal. After that 3 hours they start for Agra Fort, again in a rickshaw. Again they have hired one rickshaw and they have gone to Agra Fort. From Agra Fort they have gone to Fatehpur Sikri with a bus. Okay. Now this was their visit. Now in page number 57 the map is shown. Okay. Come to page 57. Here you can see the map of Agra. This is the map of Agra, and see, now look at the distances between these places. For kilometers we write km. Yes, the short form of kilometers is km, and the distances is being shown in the map. Look at the map properly. First one, Agra Cant railway station to Taj Mahal is 5 kilometer. See where it is written Agra Cant railway station, a yellow color, and there the train is also waiting. So that is the station. From that station to Taj Mahal, where it is written Taj Mahal, that is the distance 5 kilometer. Then from Taj Mahal to Agra Fort, you can see the river Yamuna is flowing. So from Taj Mahal to Agra Fort, the distance is 2 kilometer. Now Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri. Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri, the distance is 40 kilometer. So Taj Mahal and Agra Fort, they are very closer to each other, whereas Fatehpur Sikri, it is farther from Taj Mahal as well as from Agra Fort. Now find from the map which is the farther from Agra Cant railway station, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri. You have to find it out which one is farther from the railway station. You will give a tick mark in Fatehpur Sikri. Give a tick mark in Fatehpur Sikri because Fatehpur Sikri is farther from Agra Cant. Okay. Fatehpur Sikri, it is farther from Agra Cant. So give a tick mark in Fatehpur Sikri. Next one, which of these is nearer to the railway line? Now you have to find it out from the railway line which one is nearer. First one is Barberpur forest or Taj forest. Now see, Taj forest and Taj forest and Barberpur forest, which one is near to the railway station? Sorry, not railway station, railway line. It is given railway line, means from where the railway line is going, you will see the track. Okay, the track is shown with the help of a black line and dotted, black line with the dotted one. Okay, that is the railway line. So from railway line, which one is the nearer you have to find? Okay, see, one, it is written Barberpur forest or the Taj forest. See, from the railway line, the Barberpur forest is nearer, isn't it? So give a tick mark in Barberpur forest. Give a tick mark in Barberpur forest. Next option, Agra fort or Taj Mahal. Which one is nearer, Agra fort or Taj Mahal from the railway line? You will give a tick mark to Agra fort. Agra fort is nearer to the railway line. Now, which is closer to the Yamuna river or to the river Yamuna, Taj Mahal or the railway station? Which one is closer to river Yamuna? It is Taj Mahal. It is Taj Mahal. Okay, it is Taj Mahal. Yes. So the first nearer to the railway line is Barberpur forest. Next to the railway line is the Agra fort, and next to the river Yamuna. Next to the river Yamuna is the Taj Mahal. Okay, very close to river Yamuna is the Taj Mahal. All of you have given a tick mark. Okay, now turn the page, come to page number 58. Turn the page, come to page number 58. Match the correct length. Draw lines to match each picture with how long it can be. Here you have to measure, not measure, here you have to match the objects with their length. Okay, the objects with their length you have to match it, and you will do it with the help of the pencil and scale. Clear? You will do it with the help of the pencil and scale. See, the first one, this is line matching you will do. You will do the line matching. Okay. The first is length of earthworm. Length of earthworm, with what you will match? With what you will match? See, I will not be able to draw the lines, that's why I am writing the answers, but you will join, and you will join with the help of the line. Okay. Length of an earthworm. Yes, Shoris is right. 10 centimeter. Wherever it is given 10 centimeter, you join that one with the line matching you do. Where it is given 10 centimeter, line matching. Then height of a child. Height of a child, it will be in 1 meter. Height of the child, 1 meter. Next, width of the fingernail. Width of fingernail. Width of fingernail, 1 centimeter. It is very small, so 1 centimeter. Length of sari. Length of a sari, it is 5 meters. Length of sari is 5 meters. Yes, next one is distance from home to school. Distance from home to school. It will be 2 kilometers. It will be 2 kilometers. It is not like that for everyone it is 2 kilometers, but since the option is given in your book 2 kilometers, so you will give the you will join with 2 kilometers. This you will do line matching. Everyone, you will do line matching, okay? Everyone, you will do the line matching. The line matching you will do. Since the line matching will not be clear to you, that's why I have written directly the answers. The line matching will not be clear to you, that's why I have written the answers, okay? But you will do the line matching. Means length of earthworm, it is 10 centimeters. Wherever it is written 10 centimeter, you will write 10 centimeter. Then height of a child 1 meter, width of a fingernail 1 centimeter, length of a sari 5 meters, and distance from home to school is 2 kilometers. See here, the distance of the home, it is 25 kilometer, and to school it is 27 kilometers. That's why 27 minus 25, 2 kilometers. That's why it is, the option is given 2 kilometers. Okay, you will join with 2 kilometers. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, now come to the next page. Page number 59. Here is a one interesting story is given. In page 59, one very interesting story is given. I am reading that one. This is the last page we are doing, okay. The long tail competition. The animals in this picture had a competition. The animal who had the longest tail won a prize. Now, who do you think won the prize and who won the second? Who won the first prize and who won the second? Just guess the length of the longest tail. See, here some animals are given. You have to answer that who has got the longest tail competition, who has got the first prize. Can you imagine who has got the first prize for the longest tail? See, what are the things given here? Here elephant, mouse, then lizard, cow, pig, monkey, snake, ant, parrot, different types of insects, everything is given. So, from these animals, that means among these animals, can you guess who has the longest tail? No, not the snake. Snake doesn't have the longest tail. Snake's body is like that only. How can you say that it has the longest tail? Who has the longest tail? Yes, see, it is the monkey. Monkey won the prize. He won the first prize as he has the longest tail and it is near about 1 meter. You all have seen monkey every day. They used to come to your home, isn't it? In my home there are many monkeys. Yes. So, you have, I think you have seen the monkeys, they have the longest tail. Now, who is second from your side? Can you guess? Just see the tails, the animals' tails. See the tails of the animals and then tell me who came second. Monkey is first, who came second? Pig. No, not pig. Not pig. Who is second? Mouse. Mouse has a small tail. Mouse has a small tail, not big. Second is the cow. Okay. First is monkey with the longest tail and second is the cow. So, everyone write the answer in the book. Monkey won the first prize and cow won the second prize. And monkey's tail, it is longer about 1 meter, or monkey's tail is longer and it is about 1 meter in length. Okay. So, monkey is first and second is cow. Monkey is first and second is cow. Okay, students. See, the snake is asking, do I have a tail? Snake, doesn't have a tail, okay. The body is like that, snake's body. Okay, that's all for today. You join your next class and we will do the next chapter in our next class, okay. So, for today Bye all of you.